The world is changing very fast. The key here is to know what is causing all this change. The central reason for changing this world is the application of artificial intelligence, the algorithms, the use of data, and the born digital companies that have figured out how to use it. They are transforming industries, as you know. They are changing cross-industries phenomena. Number of industries and companies are dying or declining, but they're also creating a new market space, new opportunities for growth. So intent of this session is to show to the attendees what is this phenomena, what's causing it, where it is going, in that context where you are, where you want to be. There's room for all legacy companies. They too can be the disruptors in their own industries, but they have to have determination, perseverance, and new skills to transform their company and take it to the new heights. In doing that, we plan to cover what is this digital transformation in practical, useful ways. What does it take to make the journey? What are the difficult decisions top management has to make? They have to be optimistic. They have to go on the attack. And what kind of ecosystem they have to build. In doing that, how they recruit talent, use the algorithmic scientists, and take not only their own company. Internet and algorithms permit crossing industries, permit national geographies. So we intend to talk techniques, tools. They will be practical, no big theories. The world is learning the new stuff. Opportunities of a $100 trillion economy are really unbounded. We want to learn these tools. We want to learn what works, what doesn't work. And we launch a new journey where we can take India to the new heights. That's our intent in transformation in this session.